Hey, planty people! Spring is here. Are you itching to get outside and get your hands in the dirt? I sure am. But what if you live in an apartment without any outdoor space? You join a community garden. Do you know how many community gardens there are in NYC across the 5 boroughs? Stick around, I'll tell you. If you've seen my first YouTube video, you'll know that I moved last year and no longer have my own garden. But that doesn't mean I can't have my own little patch of soil. I joined the Lentol Community Garden here in Greenpoint this year and now have my own little plot to grow plants in, outdoor space to hang out and relax and enjoy the greenery, and a chance to get to know my planty neighbors. Come on in, let's take a tour. The Lentol Garden is a bit unusual in that we can't grow herbs and vegetables here. Why? Because it's right next to the Brooklyn-Queens Expressway, a huge 6-lane highway connecting the 2 boroughs. With all the cars and trucks passing by at all hours, the health benefits of any veggies we might grow would be iffy at best. So instead of growing our own food, we grow ornamentals, tons of pollinator-friendly plants, and there's even a huge native-only section that takes up about 1/3 of the garden. That's run by my friend and former Crest customer, Aaron. Hi, Aaron. Who is a landscaper and can fit more plants on a bicycle than anyone I've ever known. We may not end up with a glorious prize-winning batch of cucumbers, but we sure are keeping the pollinators happy. New York has a lot of native pollinators, and the native section is here to support them. New York City has over 200 species of bees. That's just bees. That's not counting the native butterflies, flies, and wasps. Yes, that's right. Flies and wasps aren't just a nuisance, they're also valuable pollinators. And honestly, they really aren't even a nuisance. They just want to be left alone. They're busy pollinating. We also have birds and even bats that are valuable pollinators. I'm looking forward to befriending the crows that live nearby. I've always wanted my own little murder. One of my favorite spots in the Lentol Garden is this wooded area at the top of the hill. It's so peaceful and shady you could almost forget that there's a highway right next to it. And the ground is covered in leaf mold, which makes it a perfect habitat for insects to hibernate in over the winter. I'm crossing my fingers for lots of fireflies this summer. Here's my plot. I haven't done anything with it yet because I want to see what else comes up here. And I want to wait until we've had a full week of nighttime temperatures 50 degrees Fahrenheit or higher to make sure all the little insects hiding in the leaves have had a chance to emerge from their long winter naps. I'm sure you've heard the phrase leave the leaves a lot lately, and leaf mold makes an excellent winter mulch has been my mantra since I've been a gardener. So I'm not only helping my local insect populations, I also get to be lazy in the autumn. Gotta like that. But it's finally warming up, and this might just be the week. Gonna get some ferns and hostas and monardas in here, and my dawn redwood bonsai can live under this nice shady tree. So go out and join a community garden. Most every city around the world has them, just waiting for you to ask, hey, can I have a plot? It's inexpensive to join. You'll meet your neighbors and make new friends and have a connection with nature. What could be better? Oh, and there are over 550 community gardens in New York City. If you can't find one in easy walking distance, you're probably not looking hard enough. Now's the time. Let's get growing. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantyjenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope, should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you want to be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light. Just ask Planty Jen.